Uh, yeah, basically, bitch. Hotter than ovens, hotter than Marcus' cousin. Bitch, we live 100 millions while we dip. I be Folger, my niggas rich. Car drop in this bitch, hotter than the Posure. My niggas and we shootin' photographic. Niggas and we poop. My niggas is Doppin Grove and shining when we shoot shit. My niggas is richer, hotter than Flozer, bitch. I'm shooting and ballin' probably my Posure, bitch. Hotter than life. My niggas is charted rather than basic. Niggas is daughter rated, I made it, face it, Nigga obviously made it, I be faded, bitch. We hotterly doing logically. My optical logically is basically it's hotterly niggas is talk about some shit that I be gradually on some new shit that I be bobbing to. Toss a disco rock, we be jabbing. My niggas dab, I be all of a sudden basically not talking. Why you did be dabbing on some shit like I be walking to? All the shit that you be talking about like we be talking. While we stacking money, I be on some disrespect with dogs and shoot. Niggas talking while I shoot the shoot. You be complaining, always stalking girls while you flick the blue. I be on some cooler out of buddy while I flicking you. I be on some challenge shit while I be reviewing shit. Bitch, I also on some full of liquor say I ain't never crossed my step, but I never on my step. Shit, I got walk the way that I walk when I step. I never try to go towards your path, bitch. My only story is trying to fuck 'em. Passing by while I see I'ma diss all the ass while I'm a shot. My money always obstacle to making it. I'm just doing the basics while I'm faded, bitch. All of a sudden, a nigga stacking, I'm drinking none. I be pouring shots in the club, hitting out the shots. I be back in the club, I be getting money. She be sucking on my dick, I laid her down. Funny, she